Hello. In this video I will show you how you can use different connectors on one part. As you can see, we have a minifix or an accenter connector on the left and on the right side of this bottom panel. If we want to change one of these connectors, we can make a double click on the part. In this window we can choose Editor, and we can choose a different connector either for the left side or for the right side of this part. I choose dowels now and close this dialog. As you can see, the connector on the right hand side has changed immediately. If we now make a double click again on the part, we can see the change. Thank you for watching.